In this video, I show you how we take our goals and strategize a weight loss plan. Coming up. Hey, what's up? It's Neil, your weight loss pal, the ultimate source to lose weight free, fast, with step-by-step online training. And on this channel, we mostly do weight loss tutorials, and we also do equipment reviews. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. At any point during the video, please check out the show notes and links below. I list out all relevant information. Let's jump into the video. All right, guys, this is step 3 in our weight loss plan. The first 2 steps, we set a goal, we set a timeline, and now we are ready to talk about strategy. So, the general strategy when it comes to weight loss are threefold. We're talking about calories in, what we eat, calories out, how we burn it, exercise, and the third component, the basal metabolic rate, our general metabolism at rest. Those 3 things combined determine whether we gain weight, stay the same in weight, or we lose weight. And so what we plan on doing is attacking all 3 components of this equation. So 1, we're going to limit our calories by eating only nutrient-rich food. 2, we're going to develop a easy-to-follow fitness plan that burns the weight at a very efficient rate. And 3, we're going to learn different natural ways to boost our basal metabolic rate. So the first part of the equation, calories consumed. How do we plan on attacking that part of the equation? Well, simple, guys. We're going to take what we eat, we're going to analyze it and strip it down to what we need on a daily basis to be a nutritious, balanced meal where we're not going to starve, but we're not going to be taking in empty calories. When we can do that and take away the fluff in our diet, we will greatly improve our efficiency of weight loss. The second part of the weight loss equation in our strategy is calories burned. That's super simple, right? Most gyms and trainers, that's what they help you with, is how to maximize your calories burned. Either you're on the treadmill, or you're swimming, or you're doing weightlifting, or you're doing Zumba, or you're doing spinning class. All of those things are going to help that second part of the equation, calories burned. Our philosophy is to do all of those things, but make sure we get the most bang for our buck. I believe that the variety of exercise is the key to maximizing our efficiency of weight loss. I don't think it's a good idea to do the same exercises on back-to-back days. I believe when we keep a variety and exercise the body in a balanced manner, we're going to see the most efficient weight loss. The third part of the equation, guys, the basal metabolic rate. A lot of people are thinking, well, what the heck is that? I haven't heard about that when I see that online or in gyms. Well, it's an underspoken part of the weight loss equation. And what it is the energy required for the body to maintain itself at rest. So when we're sitting at our desk or when we're sleeping, the energy required for us just to stay alive is called the BMR. What goes into that part of the equation? Well, the energy required for our internal organs to digest food, the energy required it takes for us just to breathe and respire, the energy required it takes for the brain to stay alive, those are all factors in the basal metabolic rate. And there are things that we can do to increase our BMR naturally in a safe way so that we increase that component of our calorie burn and thereby increase our weight loss efficiency. Many programs don't focus on this, but we will equally spend time on this part of the equation so that we maximize our efficiency of weight loss. That's it, guys. Step 3 done. The strategy of our weight loss plan. Now that we've set a goal in step 1, and step 2 we set our timeline, and in step 3 we just completed, our basic strategy. We are fully briefed and ready to go into the next step. Join me in the next video and we're going to talk about step 4. Question of the day, guys. I would love to know how you guys plan on implementing our weight loss strategy in your daily routine. Let me know in the comments section below. So thanks for liking and subscribing to this video. For more tutorials just like this, go to yourweightlosspal.com. There you're going to find free downloads and in-depth comprehensive articles all geared towards weight loss. Until next time, guys, it's Neil, your weight loss pal. Remember, you're just one step closer to a happier, healthier life.